As you know, Teams, you can work with files with anybody in your team to view and edit and communicate about those files. Now, adding files to your team can be done in a couple of different ways. One of the simplest ways is if you have on a Windows or Mac computer, if you have your File Explorer open, you can simply drag and drop a file onto your conversation stream. Add any words you want and hit post. So that is one way to add files to your team. Now keep in mind, because I'm in a particular channel, it automatically will go into that SharePoint folder that has been set up for that channel. That file goes into that exact folder in my SharePoint. Now there's a second way to add files to your stream, and that is through the little file attachment button there. You see lots of options, recent documents you've worked with. You can find files across any teams, any channels within any teams, or from your OneDrive, or you can upload. So you've got a few options there. That's a second way to add files. Now, a third way is from any channel you want the file to be in. Remember, every channel gives you a folder. So if you want a file in there, you can actually, even from within that files area of that channel, you can click on New and create a new folder or a new Office document. You can also upload. Now, there are yet more ways. If you are online in your OneDrive, your district OneDrive, you can select any file or files that you want, and you can choose the Move To button at the top after you've selected the little circle there. And that'll show your different places. And there it is, my St. Peter Numeracy PLC. And then you pick a folder. Okay? And that folder represents that particular channel. So that when you're back in here in your team in the files area for that channel, you'll see that file show up. So there are lots of ways to get access to your files and bring them into Teams so that you can collaborate with those files.